Hey squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? Today's episode is this cool I'm doing here, and pretty much what these are is some travel size bottles that you can use when you guys are traveling. So feel free to put in like your shampoo, your conditioner, or anything else inside, which is really cool. And the way how they design it is leak proof, so you don't have to worry about anything leaking out when you guys do use it. I love how it's different color on here, so that we can use it for each different thing. And feel free to use a marker to write down on here to show you guys what is in each one of these. And in terms of the color that we do have, and see it's like a blue color. They do have this available in a lot of other colors as well, so you definitely want to do your own research to see what you prefer. But what I want to do right now is to open up and show you guys what it looks like when you guys do take it out, and show you guys how it does work. So let's open up. I'll just take out one of them since all of them are the same. Let's take out this one. So top part right here show you guys how much it can fill inside. So each one of them is 3 fluid ounce. The material that's on here feels like a silicone material. Right here we do have the opening for you guys to open up. And once you guys open up, that is what the inside looks like. And if you guys want to fully open it, just twist it. And that is what the inside looks like. So it does have a large hole design, so that way you can fill stuff in really easily. And then here's the other side. And when you guys look at the side right here, the way how I designed it, it does have that leak-proof design. So that way you guys don't have to worry about anything leaking out when you guys do use it, which is really cool. So once you guys do put your stuff inside, you can close it up. And it's all set to start using again. So what I'm doing right now is do a quick little test to show you guys how it does work by adding some water inside, to show you guys whether or not it's actually leak proof, and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we do the bottle. If you guys do open it, you guys add the water inside. That should be good. Close it up. If you guys open it, if you guys squeeze it out, you can see how easy it is for it to come out. We have to close it. If you guys squeeze it out, you can see how when I do squeeze it, none of the water comes out. So it is leak proof, you can see. But if you guys do open it again, if you guys can see how when we do shake it, nothing comes out until we have to squeeze it. Then it comes out. So the overall bottle itself is leak proof, even when you guys do have liquid, whether it be a solid form or liquid form like this, which is pretty cool. So the product definitely does work, and it is leak proof. Welcome back, guys. So nice quick test the product, and definitely actually does work, and she works quite well. And you see how when we do put the water inside, nothing leaks out. So if you guys do put your shampoo, your body wash, or anything inside, you don't have to worry about it leaking out, which is pretty awesome. And I'm glad that I actually got this right before my trip. I'm going to my trip in a few days to Japan to show you guys around in Japan again. The last time I went to Japan was probably like 3 or 4 years ago, right before COVID. So I'm glad to have that experience again. But this time is very unique. It's a much different experience compared to when I went a long time ago. The last time I went, I think I flew like economy class and everything. But this time we're doing ANA business class, so I'll show you guys that coverage in that video, so feel free to go check it out. But in terms of this product, if you can see when we do test it out, it definitely works really well. So whether if you guys want to use it at home, in the office, or when you guys are traveling like me, however you want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. If you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality travel bottle to use to store like your body wash, your shampoo, or anything else, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.